नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में हमारा टॉपिक है मेंशन द वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ डिफेक्ट्स इन टिम्बर। आज की इस वीडियो में हम नेचुरल फोर्सेस, फंजाई, इंसेक्ट्स, कन्वर्जन, सीजनिंग, इन सब के कारण टिम्बर में होने वाले डिफेक्ट्स पर डिस्कस करेंगे। अगर आप भी टिम्बर में होने वाले वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ डिफेक्ट्स पर असाइनमेंट लिख रहे हैं तो मेरा वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल हो सकता है। तो चलिए इस वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं और उम्मीद करते हैं आप सबको ये वीडियो पसंद आएगी। धन्यवाद।
Hello students, this is our aim. Mention the various defects in timber. Various defects which are likely to occur in timber may be grouped into the following: defects due to natural forces, defects due to fungi, defects due to insects, defects due to conversion, defects due to seasoning. Now we discuss here all defects. First, defects due to natural forces. Chemical stain. Wood is sometimes discolored by the chemical action caused with it by some external agency. This is known as chemical stain. Rind galls. Rind means bark and gall indicates abnormal growth. Hence, curved swelling found on body of tree are known as rind gall. They develop at points from where branches are improperly cut off or removed. They are rarely found in a tree, and the timber in this part is very weak and not durable. Knots. Knots are roots of small branches of the tree. They may be live or dead. They break the continuity of fibers. Small knots are not harmful, but timber with large knots or a number of knots are injected. Here we made the diagram of knots. Dead wood. Timber which is obtained from dead standing trees contains dead wood. It is indicated by lightweight and reddish color. Sacks. Sacks are cracks which partially or completely separate fibers of wood. Also, these are longitudinal separations in wood between the annual rings. Here we made diagram of sacks. Now we discuss different types of sacks. Heart sacks. These cracks occur in center of cross section of tree and they extend from pith to sap wood in direction of medullary ridge. Star sacks. These are cracks when extend from bark towards the sap wood. Cup sacks. It appears as curved split which partially or completely separates annual rings from one another. It is caused due to unequal growth. Ring sacks. When cup sacks cover the entire ring, they are known as ring sacks. Radial sacks. They are similar to star sacks, but they are irregular, fine and numerous. Twisted fibers. This is caused by prevent wind twisting of young tree constantly in one direction. Here we made the diagram of twisted fibers. Upsets. These indicates wood fiber which are injured by crushing or compression. Burls. They are particularly formed when a tree receives shock or injury in its young age. Due to its injury, the growth of tree is completely upset and irregular projections appear on the body of timber. Coarse grain. If the tree grows rapidly, the annual rings are widened. It is known as the coarse grain timber, and such timber possesses less strength. Druxiness. It is an decay which appears as whitish spots concealed by healthy wood. Next is defects due to fungi. Blue stain. The sap of wood is stained to bluish color by the action of certain type of fungi. Brown rot. The term rot is used to indicate decay or disease of timber. Some type of fungi removes cellulose compounds from wood and wood turns brown color. White rot. It is just opposite to brown rot. In this, certain type of fungi attack wood and wood assumes the appearance of a white mass. Heart rot. This is formed when branch has come out of the tree. Fungi attack the hard wood and this makes timber weak. Wet rot. Certain fungi causes chemical decomposition of wood of timber and convert timber into grease-brown powder. Dry rot. Some fungi feed on wood and during feeding they convert wood into dry powder. This is known as dry rot. Next is defects due to insects. Defects caused by beetles. Beetles are small insects which make pinholes of diameter of about 2 mm. The timber may be converted into fine flour like powder. Defects due to marine borders. Marine borders are generally found in salty water. They make holes in wood for making shelter. The holes may be as large as 25 mm in diameter and 60 mm long. Defects caused by termites. Termites are known as white ant. They eat the wood very fast and make tunnels inside the timber in different directions and usually do not disturb the outer shell. Hence, timber pieces attacked by termites appear to be strong from outside till it completely fails. Next is defects due to conversion. Chip mark. This defect is indicated by mark placed on finished surface of timber. Diagonal grain. The defect is formed due to improper sawing and is indicated by diagonal marks on a straight-grained surface of timber. Torn grain. Defect caused when a small depression is formed on a finished surface of timber by falling a tool or saw. Defects due to seasoning. Bow. This defect is indicated by curvature formed in direction of length of timber. Cup. This defect is indicated by curvature formed in transverse direction of timber. Twist. When a piece of timber has spirally distorted along its length, it is known as a twist. Here we made the diagram of twist. Check. A crack separates fibers of wood and it does not extend from one end to the other. Here we made the diagram of check. A split. When check extends from one end to other, it is known as a split. Radial shakes. These shakes are run in the radial direction. Collapse. Collapse of wood due to uneven shrinkage during drying. Now it's completed. Thanks for watching. दोस्तों, आप सबको यह वीडियो कैसी लगी आप हमें कमेंट्स करके ज़रूर बताइएगा। धन्यवाद। जय श्री कृष्ण।